Yes, I'm happy, but in football there is no only attacking because everybody talking about attacking. There is a kid and defending because we need to when we have the ball we need to attack well, but when we don't have the ball we need to be aggressive the same and defend well. So yes, I'm happy, but we cannot fix them in 2 months. This needs time. The football there is no shortcuts. We need time. We need to improve more. We need to work more tactically and physically. Yes, I believe we defend very well. Of course, there is some individual. It was individual mistakes, but this will happen. And the most important thing for me, I don't want players to be afraid of making mistakes, because if you don't make mistakes, you don't improve, and you're never gonna find out how where you can reach. So yes, it was mistakes, but what is very important that you learn from your mistakes, and this is important for me. And of course, any mistake, any result come, if they give me everything, I support them all the way. I'm happy because we built this team in very short time, and we had preparation for 7 weeks. And as you know, all many players, many players come, and we change so many players in this team. So we still, like I said, we still need time, and I'm happy for us that we win this game, second game on the road. Congratulations for my players. All credits to them. About the league, there's very strong teams with good coaches, and the games are very strong. So there is no easy games. So we need to prepare and look game by game. So for us, in this moment, it's only important next game. I believe, if I don't mistake, we are only team that we play with domestic striker. I believe they need support. If you don't support them, and because he has quality, he has potential, he has space to improve more. He have good quality, he have good speed, he can play 3 positions. So he need to improve more, and he can improve by the training and the playing. So I think everybody needs to be happy that one team least playing with domestic player as a striker, because we are all here to improve Indian football.
Performance was okay. We scored, we equalized, we dominated the game in patches, but we need to improve. As a team, we have to play. We must believe in ourselves. Not to think anything negative, we must think positive. It was not our day, you can see, because Gallego got injured in first half, and after that we missed Brown today. And talking about remaining play, they worked hard, but combination was not them among ourselves. We have to see tomorrow. Maybe we'll speak to physio, doctor will see what is his condition. Let's hope for that he will come back soon.